Hello everyone, I am Chandana. I am currently pursuing first year engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College. Today I am going to give a presentation on curvature of curve, calculating curvature, radius of curvature and calculating radius of curvature, relation between curvature and radius of curvature and its conclusion. Let's come to the introduction to curvature and radius of curvature. Curvature is a fundamental concept in mathematics that measures how curve or a surface divides from being straight or flat respectively. In essence, it qualifies the amount of bending or how sharply a curve turns or a surface curves. Curvature is crucial in various fields like differential geometry, physics, and computer graphics, providing insights into the shape and behavior of objects in space. There are different types of curvature, including Gaussian curvature, mean curvature, and principal curvatures, each describing specific aspects of the shape and behavior of the curves and surfaces. And curvature of curve, the curvature of curve at a specific point measures how much the curve deviates from being a straight line at a point. It essentially the reciprocal of the radius of the circle that best approximates the curve at the point. High curvature means a sharp curve, while low curvature means a more gentle curve. Here, the calculating curvature. The curvature is noted as k of a path is measured using the radius of curvature of the path at a given point. If y is equal to f of x is a curve at a particular point, then the formula for curvature is given as k is equal to 1. Let's come to the applications of curvature. The curvature is of utmost significance in designing road curves and grinding workplace. While designing road curves, its influence on road safety needs to be considered. In order to improve the efficiency without excessive wear, its influence on the size of grinding wheel requires to be considered. Let's come to the significance of curvature. The curvature of a curve is a measure of how much the curve deviates from being a straight line. It is a fundamental concept in mathematics and plays an important role in graphing and drawing by art. Let's come to the radius of curvature. The radius of curvature refers to the radius of the circle that best approximates a curve at a particular point. In simple terms, it measures how sharply a curvature bends at a specific spot. For a circle, the radius of curvature is constant, while for more complex curves, it varies at different points along the curves. It's crucial in various fields like mathematics, physics, engineering, and optics for understanding shapes, motion, and lens properties, among others. Let's come to the calculating radius of curvature. Radius of curvature formula is r is equal to 1 by k, where r is radius of curvature and k is a curvature. Let us come to the applications of radius of curvature. In differential geometry, the radius of curvature r is the reciprocal of the curvature. For a curve, it equals the radius of the circle r, which best approximates the curve at the point. For surfaces, the radius of curvature is the radius of a circle that best fits a normal section or combinations thereof. Let's come to the function of radius of curvature. The formula for a radius of curvature is r is equal to 1 by k. Any circle's radius of approximate radius at any point is called the radius of curvature of that curve. The vector length of curvature r is equal to 1 by k, where r is length of the radius of curvature and k is the derivative of curvature. Let us come to the difference between the curvature and radius of curvature. The radius of curvature at a point on a curvature is loosely speaking the radius of curvature, the radius of circle which fits the curve smooth slungy at a point. The curvature denoted is 1 divided by the radius of curvature. Let's come to the relation between curvature and radius of curvature. The radius of the circle is the constant distance from the center to any point on its circumference. The radius of curvature, on the other hand, refers to the radius of the circle that best approximates a curve at a specific point. For any given curve, the radius of curvature changes at different points along the curve, while the radius of circle remains constant. Let's come to the conclusion. The radius of curvature and curvature are interconnected concepts describing the behavior of curves. The curvature at the specific point on a curve represents low, sharply, or gently the curve bends at a point, while the radius of curvature refers to the radius of circle that best fits in the curve at a point. Smaller radius of the curvature indicates higher curvature, signifying a sharper bend in the curve, while larger radius of curvature suggests a more gradual curve. Thank you everyone.